Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NUREEN NATASYA, SAUFI. My matrix number is 206591. So for today, we are going to transform this circuit, which is circuit design 1, into multisim. So first, what we need to have is wire. Second is tree of resistor. Third, we need to get voltage source. Fourth, next we need to get ground. And last but not least, we need to get ammeter and voltmeter to calculate the total voltage and total current in this circuit. So let's do this. So first, we need resistor. Go to basic, group basic, and resistor component 10. Okay, we need to get 3, 1, 2, and 3. So next, we need to all group DC power. Okay, here DC power, voltage source. We need ground. Okay, here. Okay. So last, ammeter and voltmeter. Okay. Here and voltmeter. Okay. So we already got all of the components. So next, we connect the resistor like into the distributor. So first, we need the second resistor need to rotate to 19 degrees clockwise and here. Okay, down here. So voltage source here from here and up there. So connect first resistor into second resistor into third resistor, and first into the source. Okay, so next we need to change the value of the resistor. So first, resistor 1 is 10 ohm, second resistor is 20 ohm, and third resistor is 30 ohm. Okay, so this one need to change it to 20, change it to 30. Okay, so for the value it's 12 volt, so it's already 12 volt. And here we need to put the ammeter to calculate the total current in this. So we need to put it series between first resistor and the voltage source. So next, the voltmeter, we need to put them parallelly into the voltage source. Okay, so it's done. So let's run it. Okay, as you can see, the total current in the circuit is 0.2 ampere, and the total voltage in this circuit is 12. We can also calculate the total voltage and total current in this circuit using Ohm's law, which is V equal to IR.